The Peninsula project is an exhibition, pure and simple. It's a massive exhibition. In short, it's an exercise in exhibiting large work with backup material in the institutions in each city that allows people to get an insight into the work and understand the total project. The exhibition is spread out over 7 cities throughout Florida: Tallahassee, Tampa, Orlando, Boca Raton, Miami, Sarasota, and Naples. In each city, with the exception of Naples, there's a large, very large piece of sculpture, the 60 to 90 foot range. In Naples, we're putting a fairly large piece indoors and building the exhibition around that piece. The exhibition came about as a result of thinking about how to exhibit large-scale sculpture. Do you take 6 or 8 pieces of large-scale sculpture and line them up in a row down a boulevard someplace, put them all in a park somewhere? My answer to that is no, that's not the way you do it. You spread them out so that they have an opportunity to tell their story individually, but at the same time, they have a connectivity that allows the whole thing to kind of be one body of work. And almost to some people's thinking, and certainly my own, that all of these pieces sort of over a period of time become one piece. And in the case of Miami, because of the scale, the piece that we were wanting to use for Miami, we didn't think we were going to be able to get. We had selected a piece, but we really didn't have the power to commit it. Once we went into the process of building this piece with a whole different program, then they came back and said, yes, you can use the piece. So we're going to use it in Tampa in front of the Tampa Convention Center, which will be the press headquarters during the Super Bowl. This is the Miami piece. Miami, of course, is Florida's largest city. And it's a very international city, and it's a very art-conscious city. There's an awful lot of art activity in Miami. Everybody that's breathing, that cares anything about the visual arts, is in Miami during December. This, of course, will be right there. This thing's going to weigh roughly between 60 and 70 tons. So, you know, that's 120 to 140,000 pounds. Probably people are going to see this exhibition over a period of time, over the period of the exhibition, which is roughly 6 months. And they're going to see it in pieces. So their memory is going to be involved. The documentation is going to be involved in how they see the overall project.